Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sliding scale insulin. Sliding scale insulin is a method where your insulin dose is adjusted based on your current blood glucose reading. It's commonly used in hospital environments or for temporary situations to manage blood sugar. The primary goal is to correct high blood sugar levels promptly, ensuring your body receives the right amount of insulin when needed. This approach provides immediate adjustments to help stabilize glucose. Understanding how sliding scale insulin works is straightforward. First, your blood glucose is measured at specific times, often before each meal and at bedtime. Then, you refer to a predetermined chart provided by your healthcare team. This chart outlines the exact number of insulin units to administer based on your current blood sugar reading. For instance, a reading of 200 milligrams per deciliter might indicate a dose of 2 units of rapid-acting insulin. This ensures a precise, reactive adjustment. While sliding scale insulin offers simplicity and an immediate response to high glucose, it also has limitations. A significant disadvantage is its reactive nature. It corrects high blood sugar after it occurs, rather than proactively preventing it. This can sometimes lead to a cycle of high glucose readings followed by insulin correction, which might not provide optimal long-term control. It also doesn't account for anticipated carbohydrate intake, making it less flexible for daily life. Sliding scale insulin is best suited for temporary situations, such as during an acute illness, surgery, or when taking medications like steroids. For long-term management, more proactive approaches like basal bolus regimens are often preferred. These involve a steady background insulin dose combined with specific doses for meals, offering greater flexibility and better overall glucose control. Always consult your healthcare provider to discuss the most appropriate and effective insulin strategy for your individual needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.